Captain, no other than Captain Roy Rivera.
Thank you, Chad. Thank you, Miss Arjun. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
First of all, we should thank God for this wonderful opportunity that He has given us. To all the bloggers and media friends, thank you so much for coming. For the leaders and stockists, thank you so much also for coming to this press con. Yeah. So I am Captain Roy Rivera and I will be talking about the story and legacy of Nano Project. When we started this journey, we didn't begin with the product. We began with a purpose. Kasi yun naman talaga ang ano natin, anong purpose natin, bakit tayo mag-negosyo, di ba? So when I remember the early days, when that protection was a dream only, we sketched on paper. So we wanted to build this that will last, of course. We built for protect or protection, and of course, yung i-build namin, yung mag-matter sa buhay ko natin. So, of course, when before we started this Nano Protect, of course, how we use science to protect people. Yun talaga ang nasa isip namin. Kasi of course, I was a captain of the ship. I know the problem in the world. Ang problema talaga is yung ice because of the gadgets. Yun talaga ang pinagdaan natin. So, and of course, technology is progressing. Hindi naman tayo pwede na ipapigil natin yung technology because it is progressing. All we have to do is to protect ourselves. Kasi hindi natin sila pwedeng pigilan. Okay, now, of course, now we help those people, thousands na ngayon eh. But of course, with the future, we projected the future that we can help millions of people, especially in the ice, the problem with the ice. I know everybody here present. May isa siguro walang problema sa akin. Lahat po tayo even me, I had a radio. No? So, kaya kami passionate with this yung plan namin before na talagang ito yung magiging problema. Of course, yan. No? And with our legacy here, no, we are not just selling products, but we are changing lives. Imagine, the problem in this world now is pain. Imagine life with pain. I know we have pains, no? Everybody has. Right? When pain ends, we believe that life begins. Napakasarap ng buhay na wala tayong sakit. Wala tayong iniinang sakit. Especially kung magkaroon ng problema ang mata mo. Parang problema lahat ang buhay mo. Lahat ng parts ng katawan mo magkaroon ng problema. Kasi, di ba, the eyes is the window of our soul. Okay. Now, with our, of course, milestone, last March, we have given away, of course, the MG5 car. In this business, actually, ang tawag vehicle ay kailangan.